simplify the radical. So let me rewrite again this expression. So I have this radical is the square root of 9 minus square root of 8. So let me take a pen. And now what I can write? So square root of 9 is equal to 3. Minus, and square root of 8 I can write as a 4 times 2. And now this I can write as a 3 minus, but square root of 4 is 2. This I can write 2 times square root of 2. What I can do else? So instead of the 3 I can write as a 2 plus 1. So let me write the radical. I can write a 2 plus 1. But I have this term, minus 2 square root of 2. And I can write as a middle term here, minus 2 times square root of 2. But now I have a perfect square trinomial. This perfect square trinomial I can write as a binomial square. I can write as a binomial square. And this one can be square root of 2 minus 1 square. This number here, when I'm releasing from the radical, has to be a positive number. Because it has to be a positive number, let me write this here. So the square here can simplify by this index 2. And now this one has to be a positive. Because it has to be positive, we are writing in the absolute value, square root of 2 minus 1. But because the square root of 2 is greater than minus 1, so we already know the final result here is equal with the square root of 2 minus 1. If we are simplifying this radical in the simplest form, it can have square root of 2 minus 1.